Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2006 Ford Expedition and I will show you how to remove and replace the front grille. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2003 all the way up to 2006. Okay, so as you can see, my vehicle was hit and the grille is cracked, and that's why I have to replace it. Now, to start removing the old grille, you'll first have 6 Phillips screws here on the top. 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side. Like I said, since mine is broken here, I don't have them, but if yours is not cracked, you will have same thing like on the other side. Okay, once you get these top screws out, the front grille will be pretty loose, but still, to get more access to the back side of the grille, it's a good idea to remove this top plastic cover as well. I mean, in my case, I have to remove it and replace it anyways, but even if it's not cracked, just remove it. That way you'll get lots of space to squeeze your hands inside and work on the back side of the grille. To remove this, again, you'll have a couple of plastic trim screws. You'll have 2 on the left side and you'll have 2 on the right side. One will be here and one here. Sorry, you will have actually a total of 8 screws. I didn't mention 2. There is one supposed to be here, 1 here, and 2 of them on the back side here, here and here. So total of 8 these plastic screws. Okay, now to remove these plastic screws, this middle piece is supposed to go out first, and then you can pop out the base as well. Now the idea is to unscrew this middle piece, but sometimes this just doesn't work as it should, so you want to maybe pry it a bit underneath and then just try to remove this small screw, and now just pop out the base as well. So this is how you remove this. Once you get all of those out, you can completely remove this plastic piece. Okay, now once this top piece is off, you'll have lots of space to squeeze your hand inside through here and work on the back side of the grille. Now what you will have a bunch of plastic clips all around here, which have to be pushed out from the inside, so that's why we remove this part. I will try to show it to you here. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. I turned the flash on my phone. Actually, I will show it to you on the new grill I got from the salvage. So these are the clips, right? You see? So you just have to pop out all of these clips from the inside. You have to be careful not to break this, so be gentle. Use a trim remover or even a flat screwdriver, but like I said, don't force it. There's a couple of these and you'll have 2 of these here on the top as well. Okay, I'll try to show you here from the inside. My grill is broken, so I don't really care too much. You see those plastic tabs down there, they just have to be popped out all the way around. It's not too hard to do actually. Okay. I can see on this side as well. Just want to kind of pull it towards yourself, and that's pretty much everything. So once again, you'll have 6 screws on the top which are holding the grille, and a bunch of these plastic tabs which are holding right through here, and that's everything. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful and that you'll be able to replace your front grille. In my case, I'll have to do a bit more work. I'll have to take off the headlights and replace this complete assembly that goes all the way to here, and then I'll be able to mount the new grille and the headlights as well, because this headlight right now is holding only by this. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.